Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you a few little items from my favorite thrift store. Now they range from 25 cents to $1, except for the two back there, which are that plexiglass bone and this box here. Those were $1.50 each. So I plan to repurpose those and repurpose the other items, and I'm going to tell you how I am going to repurpose them. So the plexiglass bone, look at the condition that it's in. I wash everything that comes into the home, whether it's on the Goodwill, flea market, yard sale, thrift stores. I wash everything. I don't like to bring anything into a room in my house that's not washed when it's secondhand. So I plan to repurpose this. Now, as soon as I saw it, I said to myself, well, this has walls all around. It has the top, which is the roof, and it has the base, which is the floor. So I can create something small in there. It could be a tiny store, miniature store, or it can be a little living room with the little sofas and lamps and stuff like that. And you'd be amazed how much can fit in here. This is not that large, but you'll be amazed. And I do have miniatures that are smaller than the 1.12 scale, which will be perfect for in there. Now I have this other little box here, which I want to repurpose. And what I plan to do is unscrew it from there and detach it. Then I'll have two pieces. So I plan to make this one a fireplace, and then I'll still have this one left. This one can be some type of window, some type of door, or a wall decor in a dollhouse. So then I have these other two pieces. These are fragrance control Airwick scented oil warmers. I have two of those. Now, when I first saw these, I saw two things in them. This looks like a toilet right there. If I were going to be making a handmade bathroom, looks like a toilet. Now it also looks, this one, well, they're both the same. This one, I can use this one as a sink. Already that looks like a sink, and I can place some type of mirror here, and this could be the base of the sink. So let's see what I make with this. Eventually you'll see that again. And then back to the little things here. These are mostly Christmas items. Look at the little mittens with the bear. I love the bears. And the one in the globe here, look at how cute with the reindeer. This one opens up in the middle there. See if you can see it. It's in pretty much good condition. This one opens up too. Very vintage ceramic. And then there's the stocking here. Ornament. I love these colorful ones like these. And then I got these two, which I was thinking maybe a little Christmas creation, right? So it's morning time and these kids get up and they go all the way up to where the tree is and they see all the presents, and then there'll be a little plate of cookies and one cookie will be bitten off. That means Santa came and left them all those presents. So that could be a little creation that I make with these. Because they're in pajamas, that's why I'm thinking that way. Well, I think that this is it. I hope that you have enjoyed the little items plus the ideas, the repurposing ideas. And thank you so much for watching.